Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Romany, and if you're new here, hello, welcome. Today we are on day 3 of our 30 days of beauty, and day 3 is, could you guess? Nails, yes, and I've done mine especially for you today. Aren't I a good person? So I have done my nails. I have done one hand with a minty green and the other hand baby pink, and on both hands I have done little accent nails. I don't know whether it's homing in, not homing in, zooming in even. I have popped on, and on my thumbs as well. Can you see that? I've just put on, it was a mermaid glitter, but I also mixed it with holographic glitter as well. I don't know whether, I just don't know whether you can see it. As soon as it gets under the sun, it's just sparkly and it's amazing. So anyway, if you are new here, thanks for joining. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and let me know what nail varnish or nail colour you have on today. I've obviously done my hands as 2 separate colours. That is because I can never settle on one colour, and I always end up with 2 separate coloured hands. Yeah, if you are one of them people, then yeah, besties, obviously. So I've obviously done my nails for this challenge for today. I haven't done my nails for quite a while, so it was nice to be able to sit down and do my nails. Fun fact, if you didn't know about me, I used to do quite a lot of nail art on my channel. You can probably find those. I used to do quite simple but very cute, easy, and downright lovely nail designs that you could do at home yourself very, very easily. But I just kind of strayed away from that. I don't know why, but I would, and I probably will at some point. I think I might go back into that. So I did in fact go to college to do nails. So I am qualified nail tech. I can do gel, hard gel and soft gel. I do sculpting and tips. I can do acrylic. I can do fiberglass and silk nails and gel polish. I did manicures and all of that at college. And I did, up until just before the pandemic, I did used to do home nail visits. So I'd go around to people's houses and go and do their nails for them. So I used to go around to people's houses. That was just as a side, and he said side order. I think I'm hungry. As something on the side I used to do, and I only used to do a few a week. Mainly a lot of people were friends and family, or friends of friends, which was absolutely fine. But I used to dread doing people that I didn't know. Just going to someone else's house that I don't know, and it just became a pain. And just before the pandemic hit, I had kind of strayed away. I was only doing friends and family mainly, which I like doing that. That's absolutely fine. Yeah, so I had strayed away from it, and now the pandemic is coming to a close. I don't think that I will revisit that. I don't think I will be going back to doing nails on a side order. I said side order again. I'm happy to do friends and family still, obviously, but it just wasn't my thing. It really wasn't, and it wasn't worth it. Definitely was not worth it. And when you have to do nails, before I used to do them for other people. I used to just do them on myself. I used to do my fingers, I used to do my toes all the time. I used to do cute little designs, and that's why I went to college, because I used to do it on myself quite a lot. But doing it on yourself and doing it on other people, completely different ball game, obviously. But it's just not fun. You don't get to do what you want. And you don't get to, you know, you don't, oh, it was just such a ball ache. So I will probably not ever go back to doing that. I don't think. Well, never say never. But if you think that I should do more nail designs on my channel, then let me know. I am happy to do that. I just think that I just stopped doing them, I think, because I get very, not intimidated, self-worth. I get very, very lack of self-worth. I think I look at mine, what I'm presenting to you, and then I think, like, oh, I'll look at somebody else's and they do like the one stroke flower with this, this and this. Oh my god, and they're absolutely beautiful. And I just think, oh, well, I can't do that. I probably could if I practiced. And it's a silly thing to think of like that, because obviously there are other people in the world that's probably thinking, God, I could never do that. I'm not even going to attempt to do that. And then they would look at one of my videos and go, oh, that's really cute. I could do that. That is really simple and it's really effective and it's really cute, and I'm going to do that. And so the more simpler, easier, quicker, and less technical designs, I feel, are probably down most people's alleys, rather than the complicated, higher skilled, shall I say, designs. I would love to learn how to do some of the other higher end designs, but that's not what my channel is. I like my channel to be something for everyone, so everyone can easily learn how to do things, easily replicate what I'm showing them how to do, and we kind of learn together as well. That's my little nail story. That was day 3 of the 30 Days of Beauty. I hope you like my nails. I did cut them nice and short as well. I just fancied shorter nails because they were getting rather long, and when they get too long they just get a bit much, don't they? Anyway, don't forget to subscribe. Tag me on Instagram or on TikTok if you are doing the 30 Days of Beauty as well. I obviously know that there is 31 days in July, so that last day I am going to reserve to answer some of your questions. So if you do have any questions, leave them in the comments below and I will answer those on day 31. Have a good day and I will see you all tomorrow. Bye!